There is a Chinese saying which says, if you ignore the dragon, it will eat you. If you confront the dragon, it will overpower you. If you ride the dragon, you can take advantage of its power. The dragon here is climate change. Hi, my name is Dr. Shruti Sharma, and today, on the eve of World Environment Day, I'm going to tell you how to ride the dragon of climate change, how to manage, how to measure the impact of all our activities on our environment, as what can be measured can be managed. In 1970s, Paul Ehrlich and George Holdren created an equation to measure human impact on environment. Our species' negative impact on our life support system, which is our environment, can be measured by this equation. I equal to P into A into T, where I is impact, P is the size of population, A is affluence or consumption per individual. T stands for technology, services and drivers of consumption. To simplify technology, we can say it is environment impact per product we use. For example, car powered by a subsidized fossil fuel has more T factor than a bike or working from home using computer network. This equation is simple and is no rocket science. 2 billion people create more environment impact than 1 billion people. 2 billion rich people disrupt climate more than 2 billion poor people. 300 million Americans consume more petroleum than 1.3 billion Indians. The maths is very clear. Driving an SUV is creating far more carbon footprint than riding on a public transport. Prime Minister of Netherlands, Mark Rutte, rides to work every day on his bicycle. That's how developed countries are. It's said a developed country is not where poor have cars, it's where rich use public transport. So, the solution to the problem of climate change is simple. We all need to start on an individual level. How do we start it? There are three steps to it. The first thing is be aware of your carbon footprint. There are many tools and apps available today to check that. Second is be mindful of the products you consume. Mahatma Gandhi said, there is sufficient for everyone's need, but not for everyone's greed. Practice minimalism. Third is to check the environment impact of the product you use. For example, use public transport. Recycle everything. Waste nothing. On this eve of World Environment Day, let's pledge on following these small steps, as small acts, when multiplied by billions of people, can transform the world.